I love my new Cricut machine, and I've done a few videos showing kind of the different projects that I've done together on this channel, but buying the blanks for them can get a little pricey. So I wanted to share my favorite places to get blanks for either Cricut or your silhouette that are actually affordable. So you're not spending a ton of money to make these awesome gifts or crafts that you're making. So I'm going to show you all the different places I like to go coming up. Hey, welcome back. I'm Ashley. I'm a blogger at the Frugal Ginger. I love sharing tips to help you run your family and your finances more effectively and efficiently. If that's something you want to learn more about, make sure to subscribe below, or you can also check out even more tips on my blog at frugalginger.com. So I wanted to show you all my favorite kind of spots to go to look for blanks for the Cricut machine or your silhouette machine. Now, this is not specifically for people that are making crafts to sell, or it's like your business. I would definitely recommend just buying wholesale. But for those of us who just do maybe one or two things at a time, or that you want to make gifts for birthdays or Christmas, what have you, I would obviously say check out Target and Walmart first. Though they have some great deals on like plain white shirts, hoodies, long sleeve tees, all that kind of stuff. If you're wanting to do iron-ons, it's a good place to start your search and just kind of get a feel for what the prices kind of are. I liked going to Target and kind of checking out what's on clearance every once in a while. I got my daughter some adorable little rain boots that were on clearance for like, I don't know, $5. And they were plain, so I can do a monogram on them and they would be really cute. I also like checking out the Dollar Spot or Bullseye's Playground, whatever they're calling it now. The little area where you walk in and they have all that kind of good stuff, especially after holidays. All that stuff that they had would be marked down 50% off. It's a great place to find some plain jars or candles that you could decorate. I've even found some cheese boards and some mittens and hats that you could personalize, all for 50% off. So definitely keep an eye out for those sales. But my absolute favorite place to find affordable blanks is the Dollar Tree. They always have some amazing stuff that you may not think about. So if I need to decorate some kind of vase or mug or any kind of glassware, I always head to the Dollar Tree first because they usually have a pretty good selection and it's all $1. You can't beat that price. I've also seen things like bowls, plates, even some planters that you can personalize or decorate in any kind of different way. They will also have a good variety of blank candles that you can decorate, as well as organizing items. I found some really cute canvas baskets there, as well as the plastic ones. And even though they look kind of cheap, you can always make them look nicer with the Cricut if you wanted to. I like using the dollar store organizing items. They do last, and it is an affordable way to get your home clutter-free. Another thing that I really like that they have are the oven mitts, kitchen towels. They're usually always blank, so you can always decorate up those really cute, as well as socks and slippers. I even got a brush from the Dollar Tree and decorated the back of it with my daughter's name, and she really liked that, and it was just $1. And they also have some little mirrors that you can decorate the backs of and personalize. These would be really cute for like a sleepover or some kind of spa party. And I've also seen just some plain hats. You can always decorate those too. But I mean, just check out the Dollar Tree. It's my favorite place to find these kind of blank items to really just make look nicer or more expensive than they really are. Another place I really like going is Hobby Lobby to get all of my Cricut accessories and blanks. They'll usually have some good deals on the craft item, usually like 40% off, and even Cricut items would be on sale for 40% off. So if you're wanting to get things to make with infusible ink, you kind of need to use the Cricut brand shirts or tote bags or coasters, because they're made specifically for the infusible ink. I guess it shows up better or lasts longer on their brand, but that's what I always use for my infusible ink. Anything else like the vinyl or the iron-on, I'll use whatever brand. But they will have the infusible ink compatible blanks at Hobby Lobby on sale probably once or twice a month for 40% off, which is pretty nice. If they're not on sale, you can always use the Hobby Lobby 40% off coupon of any item. You cannot use these on Cricut brands, unfortunately. It is in the fine print, but you can use that 40% off coupon on maybe another brand of tote bag, or even the Gildan t-shirts and long sleeve tees and hoodies that they have. I think I got a tote bag there for like $3, and it's a really good sturdy tote bag. So go to Hobby Lobby and check them out, as well as Michael's and Joann's. They're all pretty similar. They all have the coupon that you can just show on your phone or print out and take to the store. But look and see which store has what on sale, and then you can plan accordingly. Now, another place, obviously, if you want to get some deals on the infusible ink Cricut blanks is Cricut.com. I will not shop Cricut.com unless they're having a sale, because they are pretty pricey. They recently had a sale, and I saw that they had some t-shirts for over 50% off. I mean, they had a women's tee for $4, a youth tee for $3.20, and a men's blank t-shirt for $4. Those are some really good deals, and all of those are infusible ink compatible. I also saw some coaster sets for less than $8 when they're normally $13, and the tote bags were only $6. So that's a pretty decent sale. I would definitely stock up at those prices, but remember, you do have to take shipping into account. Make sure you're getting enough to make shipping worth it. And if you are going to be shopping Cricut online, make sure to go through Rakuten, because you'll get 2% back on your purchase. So every little bit helps, right? And then my last place to check is Amazon. They have a ton of stuff. And this, I think, is best if you're going to be buying in bulk. If you're going to be doing at least 5 or more of a certain item, it's probably a good idea to go through Amazon, because it'll be cheaper per unit than buying them separately from, Target or Hobby Lobby or what have you. But they have a ton of stuff. They've got blank makeup bags, totes, shirts, tumblers, wine glasses. I mean, everything. You find everything on Amazon, and the prices are usually pretty decent. Like I said, especially if you're going to be buying multiples. So that's definitely one place that you want to check out. That's how I'm able to make crafts with my Cricut in an affordable, budget-friendly way. And I hope that you are able to get a little bit of ideas from this. If you know of any other places that have really good deals on blanks for the Cricut or Silhouette, make sure to leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about them, because I'm definitely planning on doing some more crafts in the future. So I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.